Welcome guys, I'm sitting here with Mr. Iqbal Ghazi, who's the president of Sun Consulting, and we are talking about Sun Consulting and about Canadian immigration, about a lot of things. But we still haven't talked about हमारी youth के मसाइल क्या हैं. And I'm sure that also plays a very important role in when you talk about immigrating, going abroad. अगर आप बाहर जाके पढ़ना चाह रहे हो, वो भी एक हमारे लिए मसला ही है. हमें पता नहीं होता, डायरेक्शन नहीं मिलती हमें. यंग लड़के लड़कियां जो कि बाहर जाके पढ़ना चाहते हैं, उनको सही तरह नहीं पता होता कि क्या प्रोसीजर है जो कि फॉलो करना होगा. तो इसमें आपकी कंपनी क्या रोल प्ले करती है?
जी, आपने बिल्कुल बड़ा सही बात पॉइंट आउट की है इन टर्म्स ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फॉर द यूथ. देखिए, मैं ये यकीन रखता हूँ कि हर शख्स का एक बुनियादी हक है कि वो अपनी ज़िंदगी में चेंजेस लेकर आए. There should be an opportunity to have for every human being for an upward mobility.
Yes.
Unfortunately, जो भी वजूहात है, I don't want to go into that. हमारे मुल्क में इस वक्त बड़े लिमिटेड लोगों को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी अवेलेबल है, और हमारे बल्क ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन में, स्पेशली यंग लोगों में, और पाकिस्तान की ह्यूज पॉपुलेशन यंग है, इनको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी नज़र नहीं आती है. Because of economic reasons and because of the opportunities, our youth has to look beyond our country. And I honestly, truly believe that if you look around the globe, what Canada offers, there is no country on earth offers.
Probably that's the reason that your company is related to Canadian immigration. Because other companies are also looking into immigration to other countries, right?
Canada is extremely tolerant, and I think any youth of Pakistan or anywhere else in the world has shown some seriousness that he can invest in himself for 2 years in Canada. Then he will be the protector of his generations to come.
See, as I hear it, for an individual, I think it's very important. If I feel I want to go to Canada, why would I want to go to Canada? The reasons are there. It's liberal. I can stay there. I can get a work permit. I can study there. So I think it's a great opportunity if someone wants to go abroad.
बिल्कुल सही कह रही हैं, and get an immigration and citizenship. And now this is the punchline. A Canadian citizen, if he or she wishes, can also work in USA.
Acha. But what about the work permit and everything? Well,
there is an agreement between Canada and USA. It's called NAFTA.
Yeah, I heard.
North Atlantic Free Trade Agreement. So any Canadian citizen can work in USA and vice versa.
That's another plus point, So if you're in Canada, you can also work in US.
That's
all right.